What's up, Royal Fam? So today, do you know what we're doing? We are going to be adding in the mix-ins from Anchor Art slime review into a white slime and just customizing it and making it our own. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so first we have our white slime. It's really pretty. It's kind of glossy and it has literally nothing in it. It's a good poker and I just made this before I started shooting, so that's good. It has nothing in it. It's really stretchy and it's pokey. It's also kind of sticky, but it's bearable because you guys know I hate sticky slime. I just cannot do it. But this slime is bearable. So, this is what I have from the Anchor Art review. I have these little pink foam beads. This big bag of white and pink foam beads, which I'm so happy about, but even though I already used them, but I have a lot of foam beads now. And I also have this blue glitter pack, which is so pretty. Then I also have these multicolor beads. I hate that they're plastic though. And I also have some red glitter, which is one of my favorite colors. And guess what? There's like a little burgundy red right here. So, can't beat that. We also have this little Martian that I had at the end of my Anchor Art review, which said bye. I also have this cute little popsicle thing or whatever. And I also have this little like strawberry shortcake or cheesecake or something with a strawberry and like some whipped cream. It is so pretty. So first, what I'm going to add into this slime is the big bag of foam beads. I'm not going to do all of it because I may do a part 2 of this video. I don't know. I'm debating that right now. And this slime has no color in it whatsoever, which is going to be nice. So that it can actually be like a call it my own. So I'm going to do some ASMR while putting it in here. So let's get started. This slime is a very good poker. And it's really crunchy. So now I'm going to add in some of the red glitter just to keep it inside of that pink color family. So I'm just going to open it from the corner if I can and put it in there. I don't know why, but the Anchor Art stuff is so hard to open. I don't even see like a little pull tab. And I don't have any scissors. Oh, I got it. Yes! So I'm adding in some of this. And this is going to be really pretty. I only added like 75% of this. So I'm just going to mix that in now. And I think what I'm going to do is add in out of these 3 charms, I think I'm going to add in the 2 pink ones just to go along with that little pink color family. So the glitter's mixed in. I'm adding in the charms, so pretty. And off they go. And for these little beads, I'm just going to add in some of them. Well, actually I added in all of them. Because there was barely any in there anyway. So yeah. And then I'm going to add in the rest of these little pink foam beads. Because they'll go along with it too. Let me open up this bag some more. I'm going to just rip it. Okay. And so now I'm taking off the plastic film. And I'm going to throw this in the trash. And yeah. So this is the slime. It's really pokey and satisfying and crunchy. Oops. That was bad. But this is the slime. It's kind of busy, but it's also really cute. It actually kind of looks like a Valentine's Day slime. Seriously, though. Look at it. Isn't it pretty? And that's also kind of funny because I'm wearing red too. And that was just a coincidence. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.